Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video we're going to be talking about L'Amour Collagen Retinol Cream. So if you guys would like some more information, just be sure to check the video description for that. So I actually was looking online and I was looking for something that had like a collagen retinol anti-aging quality cream, because now I'm 31, so I want to start, making sure that I build up like the lost collagen, because they say once you turn 30 you start losing collagen in your skin, especially in your face. So I said, let me try this. It had good reviews and stuff like that. So it's L'Amour Beauty, has a heart around it. This is the symbol. Advanced age defying formula. This is the collagen retinol cream. So it's very easy to use. They have all the ingredients listed here. Some really good stuff in there, mineral oil, and everything else is listed. I like the packaging a lot. It came completely sealed with like a plastic top. And it's very soft, and it doesn't have much of a fragrance. It has like a soft, like fresh fragrance, nothing crazy. And that's good, because sometimes when things, even though they smell great, a lot of fragrance isn't always a good thing, especially when it comes to your skin. If you have sensitive skin, it's not good either. So it has that collagen ingredient and all that in there. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's like very small writing, but they have the directions listed here. So it tells you after cleansing face to apply portion of collagen retinol cream around your eyes, forehead, neck, and the décolleté area. So décolleté area is going to be like your neck to your shoulders. Distribute evenly with your fingers using circular motions. Allow cream to absorb fully into your skin before continuing your beauty regimen. So you could use this with serum, eye serum, whatever you typically use. The only thing was, I noticed during the winter my skin gets like very dry because I live in New York. It could be cold, it could be windy, and that really does kind of damage your skin. So I noticed that it wasn't really hydrating in the way that I would have hoped. Like it didn't, like I didn't feel like my skin was less dry this winter while using it, if that makes sense. But this summer I've had no issues with it. And I do see that it's doing a good job. Like before I put it on, I feel like my skin's dull. After I use it, I feel like it's brighter. So I definitely think that it's a good product, and I recommend using it. It's just in the winter, if you're someone that needs like some extra moisturization, you might want to use another little something with this. But I use it daytime before I put on my makeup, and then nighttime before I go to sleep. I wash my face, cleanse, do my skincare routine, and then put this on and sleep with it. And it's so important to moisturize your face before you go to sleep, so that at night your skin is kind of repairing itself. I wish I had started a beauty skin routine earlier in life. I think I was like maybe in my mid-20s by the time I started doing it, and it really is so important. So the top is like super easy to come off. You can see it has a little crack in it. That's because I dropped it on the bathroom floor. But it's sealed nicely. And I just go ahead and take some out. As you can see, it's like a creamy consistency, not greasy. And it feels thick. And it rubs in really quickly. So I usually put it on like 15 minutes before I do my makeup, because I want my skin moisturized underneath. It gives like a little slight tingly feeling on the skin after putting it on. Nothing crazy. I've actually like gotten waxed and then like put this on right after, or gotten my eyebrows threaded and put it on right after, and it didn't make me break out or give me any bumps or anything. I just had a really positive experience with it. So overall, I would definitely say I recommend this product. It's just in the winter because it kind of like, it just sinks into your skin. It doesn't provide that full moisturization that I feel like I need, because my skin's a little sensitive and dry in the winter. You might want to use like a second product with it for extra moisturizing. But overall, for restoring the collagen in your skin, it's really great for that. And I love the light, fresh scent because you can barely smell it. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video on L'Amour Collagen Retinol Cream. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, feel free to leave me a like and a comment. Thanks, guys.